Passenger fatally shot by bus driver in St. Thomas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of Sh0t TV News Report, and we'll be right back after the break with the details. Welcome to Links of Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links of Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back. A St. Thomas man is now deceased following an altercation that broke out on a bus plying the downtown Kingston to Yalas Road. The police are not yet to confirm the identity of the deceased man. It is reported that sometime after 8 o'clock on Thursday evening, an argument developed between the man who was a passenger and the driver of a Toyota coaster bus. On reaching a section of the Albion community in St. Thomas, the argument escalated and the male passenger allegedly attacked the bus driver with what appears to be a knife. The driver, who is said to be a licensed firearm holder, reportedly pulled his weapon and shot the passenger. The injured man was rushed to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. It is further reported that the bus driver was an off-duty policeman and that he told the investigators that he acted in self-defense. The incident has been reported to the Independent Commission of Investigation in the COM. We'll have more updates to come on this story. This has been Links of Sh0t TV News Report.